everyone. A good blessing for all of us to avail of this opportunity to be trained in life-saving.
To formally begin our discussion this morning, let me introduce our first speaker, Nurse John Ralph Escalera.
Can anyone promptly request oxygen for a student in need? Nurse, pero kailangan namin ng oxygen na hirapan huminga ang aming estudyante. Ano pong sagot? No? No ba? Yes or no?
To give us inspirational message, I call and invite our passionate leader, our school division superintendent, Dr. Manuela Esponte.
Our primordial task na yung mga bata natin, and even the employees in our midst are always safe.
Registered nurse and licensed professional teacher. Please welcome Nurse Arnel S. Icanza.
Okay, may topic is about guarding the human heart, the heart attack versus cardiac arrest. The comparison between the two entities kasi ito, risk and prevention. Ito po yung dapat natin dagaan lagi. Ito po, lagi natin yung sarili natin pangalagaan, lalo na po, kakaroon tayo ng annual thinking po. Kaya sa 35 years old above, nag-undergo po ng ECG. So sa ECG, nakikita na po dyan kung mayroong heart problem. Diba?